Everybody, we are here with Recover Tactical and a brand new product called the TFA. The TFA consists of several products that upgrade the original 2020 stabilizer. Now let's go over the different parts. Here already I have assembled a 16-inch barrel, which will convert your pistol into a non-NFA item, the charging handle by Recover Tactical, and the front shroud. Let's put the items together and show you how it works. To those of you that already own the 2020 stabilizer, you know how easy it is to assemble the pistol inside. Here already you have the charging handle installed. All you got to do is place it inside, close it down. You got the supplied Allen wrench, a couple of twists, and it's assembled. Now for the front shroud, all you got to do is slide it in until it locks, and you're ready to go. Now, you converted your pistol into a non-NFA item and made it a true carbine.